To buy Shiba Inu crypto coin on Binance app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy the Shiba Inu crypto coin on Binance in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Binance app like this. As you can see, this is the home page. Now after we go to Binance, you should sign up or login up, and then you go down to this option right here, the yellow option, and choose buy. And after that you search about Shiba, and here is it. You click on Shiba like this, and now you need to write the amount of money that you want to spend on this crypto, like 100 or 1000 or whatever. And after that you click here, you will find buy now if you are logging into your account. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like, and thank you so much for watching.